Mountain Coaster. Here we go now. There we go. Mom, I think you'd love this. I really do. Nice, easy, gentle. Come up here, you can see all the skaters. Got the terrain park up here. We've been getting the big air. Just below freezing right now, so we got snowmaking going on. This is the pro jump line right over here, straight ahead to the right. Not open yet. And the intermediate jump line, the one that Nate and I have been hitting, is to the left. It's just behind those trees so you can't see it. These are all the terrain park features for the rails and stuff down here at the bottom. Been a fun little area. Here we go. Full speed ahead. Gotta one arm this thing with GoPro. We're pretty quick. Got the stabilizing feature in this GoPro so you can't feel the bumps. So you can hear them. A little bumpy. Woo! Look at that view. Waiting for the upside down loop. Not sure it's coming. Send it. Full throttle. Go. Now we picked it up. That's some G-forces. Oh, that was crazy. Jerky. Alright, we gotta slow down. Enduron coming.
All goes down, not yet. Push it down.
Oh.
All left house and toes, and kind of buckle in.
Alright. That was good.
Looks like you're going pretty fast.
What you think, Nate?
Sounds pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah. You can go ahead and unbuckle and exit.
Oh, I didn't pull back at all. I don't know. There was that one corner I was like, oh, should I pull back? I feel like I'm going off the rails. Thanks, man.
Have a good one.
What you think?
I never pulled back.
You never did either? Do you like it?
Yeah, my hands were cold though.
Yeah, I know. My hands are cold. I had gloves on.